Good morning. Happy Sunday. Currently eating a very, very quick breakfast. It's like 9:30. I need to leave to go to Rumble soon. I normally go at this time every Sunday, generally. Instead of the girl who usually teaches it, this instructor, I don't actually know him well. This was back before the 30-day challenge video, and I went to his class a few days. So it's before I was there all the time. But he like moved to another city and then like now is back for like a day to teach one class. So it's like sold out and gonna be like a really fun thing. So I'm excited. I'm going with one of my friends who works there. I ended up not going to bed until like 2 after I cleaned up and then went to my bed and then like looked through all the photos and everything from last night. We didn't see yesterday's vlog. Hosting a little Christmas get together at our house. Check that out. I haven't edited it yet, so it's gonna be a late upload for today. Whoops. But yeah, gonna be a fun little day after that. And you come back and just do some editing, but also some relaxing and some Christmas present ordering. I still have not finished shopping for everyone. So I think I've finished everyone in LA, which is obviously great because I'm leaving. Ew, I see a spider. Ugh, are you kidding? Oh, a fly. All right, whatever. Live your life. Don't have the time to catch you this morning. I found, I guess, a like random person on YouTube made a YouTube rewind, and it is so good. It's better than any YouTube rewind that YouTube has ever done. The second, I'm not even saying like 30 seconds, a minute before, the second I open the door to walk outside, it's clear. Like, I mean, not clear skies, but like no rain. Immediately, it starts downpouring. It's actually kind of like let up again. So I was like, ah, cool. So I had to run back in to get something with a hood. All right, heading out. Woo! All right, that was such a fun workout. The energy in there was crazy because it was like his friends and family class. Like apparently as soon as they announced it, like sold out. And it was just so cute and it was sad. Like he kept talking about how much he misses it here because he like moved to work on like another Rumble that was opening. Yeah, wow, really good workout. It was also so hot in there because the class was sold out. So it was just like lots of sweaty bodies. Also, then I went to Sweetgreen. I haven't edited VLOGMAS yet, so I've got to sprint home. But I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat this as soon as I get there while importing footage and then edit VLOGMAS. Hello to the rain. But so I was at Sweetgreen, and 2 days ago, Adrian and I were there, and there was this guy we were talking to like very briefly. Like I'm not even like, I'm talking to Adrian, but like we're also talking to like the cashier guy. He was like, sorry guys, like bear with me, it's my first day. He was like trying to like bring it up. We're like, no problem, like whatever. But we weren't like having a full conversation. It basically, he just like said it was his first day, and then on the way out we were like, good luck, like that. So I could have sworn that the guy that I just ordered my salad from and that was making it was the same dude whose first day was the other day. And he seemed like timid, that's the other thing. So I was thinking, oh, this is for sure the same dude. Like I already thought it was, but he's like acting kind of like being really formal and like, I don't know. I was like, okay, he's probably new. So I was like, oh, it's your first, I was like, how's it going? Like it was your first day the other day, right? And he was so rude. Not like rude, not aggressively rude, but he was not nice. He was like, no, I've been here for a month. And I was like, oh, my bad, sorry, I insulted your VIP 1 month Sweetgreen employee status, like, geez. And then I was like, oh, so then I tried to like recover, and I'm like, oh, like I was talking to someone the other day who's like, first day it was, like, I guess I wasn't paying much attention, my bad. He then didn't respond at all. He's like literally ringing me up, looking at me and not saying anything, and I'm like, oh my God, sorry, geez, I'm just trying to be nice. Anyways, I'm on the way home. I feel great. It's a rainy day, but I'm like feeling it because I'm gonna go edit and be all cozy. I'm so glad I cleaned our house last night. G-Wagons, one of which is lime green. Why is that? Watching some Dynasty. I feel like it's some good background show. Eating my salad, about to edit. Finally got yesterday's video done and edited. It's currently now 2 p.m. Wanted to get that up as soon as possible, especially because I know I have a lot of East Coast viewers, so it's already like 5 there. But now I'm like, oh, I gotta, like all my sweat's already dried. I need to shower it off. It was so hot in there also. Like when I walked out, not because of the rain, like I could feel it in class, because I was just so sweaty everywhere. Like my ponytail back here was like touching my back, I guess, and like this was just like wet. Ew, it was gross. So yeah, that's all still on me. I need to shower now, and then I'm gonna have a lazy little time, watch me some Dynasty, probably do a little bit of laundry. Adrian's at a football game for the day, and then Mallory gets back tomorrow. I keep getting questions about where she is. Some people are very concerned about our third roommate. She still lives here for work. She travels a lot, so she's been gone for weeks actually, but she gets back tomorrow. All right, I'm out, I'm clean, and I am representing today. We're wearing some UNC stuff. Just switched on my laundry, unloaded the dishwasher. Now I have like a list in my head of videos I want to watch. I was watching on my laptop and I'm like, why am I doing this? I can watch them on TV. So gonna put these on the big screen, have a little viewing party. I'm thinking for dinner tonight, well, I just had a little snack that was comprised of those Pillsbury cookies from last night. All of the packs were left at my house and like Adrian can't even eat them. Or maybe Adrian can eat them, but Casey and my friends forgot them and now I literally have like packs of these cookies, which is awesome, but I'm like, I can't eat all these, I leave in like 3 days. Anyways, I'm thinking that later on for dinner, I'm gonna make tacos. We made these the other day when our friend Katie came over for dinner. It's super easy soy chorizo tacos. I'll show you how to make them. Probably gonna be my dinner, and then it'll be like my dinner for the next couple days as well. Yeah? Great. Gonna watch YouTube for a while, be back. Our recommended videos are literally all just prison videos. I'm watching this video from the Try Guys, who I love. I've watched them for years, but they did a video about why they left BuzzFeed from each of their 4 perspectives, and it's like edited really well, and I don't know. That's what I'm watching. Now I just watched Michelle Carre's YouTube Rewind musical video. It was really cool. A lot of people are doing like alternative Rewind videos this year. Second one I've seen today, but now I'm watching the behind the scenes. Shane and Jeffrey going around the house wrangling towels that need to be washed. Now watching A Day in the Life of a Rockette because we're going to the Rockettes show. Popped up in my recommended. Thought I'd just tell you guys I'm watching because I foresee myself sitting here for a good while. I keep seeing things about A Marriage Story on Netflix, which apparently is gonna make me cry, but I don't know. I might watch that next. It's already like 4, so it's already like getting dark. So I'm thinking, maybe do this, maybe watch a movie, cook some dinner. It's raining still. I will not leave the house tonight. And after I do some of this stuff, probably like just plan my next few days in a lot of detail and make a packing list. Oh, I need to do some more present shopping. Oh. All right, here's how I make these tacos. This is stolen from Kinsey, who introduced me to this amazing soy chorizo stuff from Trader Joe's. So the only ingredients, I mean, this is so flavorful that like you really like don't need to get fancy with anything else. Honestly, I'm like being a little more elaborate than I need to be. So what I do is the base of, or like the main event, if you will, is these sugar plum tomatoes that I kind of like cut in half, and then red pepper that I chop up, as well as some black beans. These are left from when I made it the other day. And then on top, I'll cut up some jalapeno, green onion, and goat cheese, or even I could cut this up and like cook it in with it. Okay, and then I just have flour tortillas. What in the world happened here? Is this leaking? Great, cool, yep, okay. The superior tortilla is what I was gonna say. Corn, wish I could get behind it, not very good. Here's my on brand with the meal little beverage. We have some lime LaCroix going on. So first up, I like these to like really cook down, if you will. I don't want them feeling fresh. I want them to be really cooked. So first thing I do is cut these up, put them in the pan until all the water and everything is kind of cooked out of them. And then I'll add in this and this and we'll go from there. Also just season them with a little cumin. All right, we now added in the soy chorizo. Gonna cook this up for a minute. Once it starts to brown slightly, I'm just gonna toss in the black beans because they don't take too long to soften up. Our Wi-Fi stopped working. Not a good sign for what I wanted to do tonight. So I reset the router. We're gonna pray for a miracle over that. And while that's finishing up, I'm contemplating if I wanna make it like a little nacho situation instead. TBD. Cut up my toppings, I'm getting hungry. All right, she's done. We've got a little spillage. I decided I'm gonna do nachos, so we're gonna get this going. This is about to be so spicy. I just licked my fingers and yikes from cutting up the jalapeno. Let's eat. Dessert time. A mini peppermint hold the cone. It's chocolatey, it's so good. I forgot we had these lights. I finally just turned them back on. Oh my gosh, hurry. So, all right, A, I just edited Vlogmas up to this point. B, I keep getting comments, not like tons, but like I've noticed that I've gotten a bunch of comments saying, Sarah Ray Vargas sent me like blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, what? So I like searched. It's a girl, she has a ton of subscribers. I actually haven't seen her videos, but now I've been watching. I'm watching right now. All I've done today is watch videos and like do chores and stuff. I've been trying to find like a video that mentioned me and I couldn't find it. So finally I like just asked someone, I was like, who just commented that, and I was like, what video? Like I didn't see it. She was like, it was in her live stream. Like someone asked if she was doing a gift guide. I actually haven't even watched this part yet. I just like got to it. It's so weird like seeing someone talk about you. So we're gonna see what she said, but apparently like someone asked if she was doing a gift guide and she said no, but then said I did it. And it seems like this is gonna be funny, so I'm gonna watch what she said. Oh, I have it sped up because it was an hour long. I confession, I watch a lot of YouTube videos on ×2 speed. Oops.
Can you do a hubby boyfriend Christmas guide? You know who did a great Christmas guide? What is her name?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know. I want to say her name is Morgan.
Yeah, girl.
I don't know, but I got some great ideas from it.
Oh my gosh.
She is just a breath of fresh air. I tell you what.
Oh my gosh.
She is just such a cutie to booty. I don't know what.
Aww.
I don't know what channel I subscribed to her on. Hang on.
So nice.
Is it Morgan? Do you guys know a girl named Morgan? And she's really cute and she's white with brown hair.
Aww.
I think it's brown. And she talks real fast. Not crazy fast, but like pretty fast.
I do.
And she's just the cutest person you would have seen today, probably.
Oh my gosh.
I think she lives in Seattle. Wait a second.
Nah.
I think she's friends with the blonde-haired twins.
Yeah.
The twin blondes.
Yeah.
From Seattle that do videos that look like they take a lot of time.
Yeah, they do.
Yes.
Oh,
Great.
someone new. Delaney.
What was I talking about? Oh, her gift guide. Here she is.
Oh my gosh.
We talking about Christmas.
Oh my god, I hate seeing
Okay.
myself.
Isn't she cute? Look, I gave her a thumbs up.
Aw, thanks! Wow, that was so nice. I love that. How happy. Thanks, Sarah. If you see this, I found your videos now and I love them. And if any of you guys are watching this and you want to go to the opposite and go tell her that you found her for me, that would be probably also cool. Anyways, I am now gonna sign off this vlog. It's only 8 o'clock, but I honestly just want to like get it up and be done and like watch this Marriage Story movie. I'll tell you tomorrow how I thought it was. We've got tomorrow planned out. Ask me if I've ordered those Christmas presents that I keep saying I'm gonna order. No, I did not. So I have the cool gift guide, but haven't placed the orders on some things, so we're gonna do that now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. I really just, if you haven't noticed from vlogs, like love just time to myself on Sundays and just like being able to relax and like honestly just not do much, but also at the same time like gear up for the week ahead, and of course like exercise. I love working out on Sunday mornings. Yeah, so it's been a really wonderful, relaxing, restorative day. Hope all of your weekends were the same. I will see you tomorrow with another Vlogmas, and yeah, good night.